that beautiful crispy golden bottom, that perfectly folded gyoza, and a filling flavor you've got to taste to believe. These are my ham and cheese toasty pot stickers. Hey guys, I am so super pumped today. One, because we're making dumplings, but two, because we're making dumplings from my cookbook. Oh my goodness. I am just so ridiculously excited about this, guys. It has been a true labor of love for me. I have put in here a collection of all my most loved, very best tips, techniques, and recipes. These are the tips and techniques that are going to help you out in the kitchen. They're going to be recipes that you can rely on, and I just can't wait for you guys to get in here and have a look. We're going to be cooking today one of my favorites from the book, which is a ham and cheese toasty pot sticker, because there are no other food groups I love the most more than toasted sandwiches and dumplings. You know, we're gonna be going through what is the best way to cook a beautiful, crispy, golden pot sticker, and what's the best way to fold them. So these are the kinds of things that you'll find in this book, and I hope that you guys check it out really soon, because yeah, I love it and I'm very proud of it. But let's get on to making some dumplings, shall we? So for the filling, what we're gonna need is some pork mince first of all, and now ham. So I'm going for a double smoked here, guys. That's gonna give you the best kind of smoky ham flavor. And then we've got cheese. So when I'm doing toasted cheese sandwiches, you know, I'm a real cheddar girl. I do like cheddar, so I'm using cheddar here, but you can go your own adventure with the cheese. Now I need some spring onion here as well. Some garlic. And now for me, it's all about spreads with a really good toasted sandwich. So I always like to have mustard when I'm having ham. So I've got some Dijon mustard here. I can't tell you guys the flavor like explosion these dumplings are. You just have to try it to believe it. They're so good. And I need an egg. That's gonna help bind everything together. Give everything a mix, and here's another little detail for you. I like to do this with chopsticks or a fork. I don't want to get in here too vigorously because I want the mixture to maintain like a really kind of loose form, especially after it's cooked. I don't want a hockey puck kind of situation going on in my dumpling filling. I just want this really beautiful, soft, like, you know, ham and cheese business going on. So just really, you know, you obviously want to mix it together, but just do it kind of like lightly. It doesn't need to all come together. Now take some gyoza wrappers. So here we go now with the classic gyoza fold. So yeah, we've gone a bit crazy with the filling, but we're gonna go real classic here with the actual cooking technique and the folding technique. So I want a little bit of water just around the edges there. And then the thing with a very traditional gyoza fold is that you only kind of do the pleats on one side. So just start in the middle at the top, make that first pleat, and then go down one side, and then do the same on the other side. Squeeze everything together, and then what you have left is this beautiful shape where you have this lovely pleating on the one side, and then a beautiful, simple, plain, smooth back. So just on the other side there. And there you go. Now just keep on going. So now we have our beautifully folded gyoza. Let's do the crispy bottom thing, okay? So a little bit of technique here. We want to turn the pan on. And I kind of want this at a medium heat. You don't want to start out too hot because then you get a burnt bottom, not a crispy bottom. Just a little bit of oil in the bottom of that pan. Swirl that oil around so we've got a little bit of coverage there. And then your pot stickers go in. Now you should just see just like a little bit of a sizzle on the bottom there, not too ferocious. It's a nice sensible little sizzle. Now you want to give these a couple of minutes. What I'm waiting for is for that lovely golden color to just start to develop. All right, so once you've got this kind of situation going on, a lovely deep golden color, we're getting some crispiness there. Now we need to go in with some water. Get a little prepared though, get your lid ready, pour the water in about like sort of like almost halfway up the side of the dumpling. Lid on. And now we kind of let that sizzle and steam. So the whole idea here is that we've got the crispy bottom. So you want to give these guys 5 minutes in here or until almost all of that water is evaporated. So let's have a look in here, and we've got a beautiful, lovely crispy bottom. Each of those dumplings will be cooked through, steamed through on the top there. So they are looking and smelling pretty much like heaven right now. I'm going to get these out onto a plate. And now just a little sprinkling of spring onion on the top there. And there you go, my friends. Ham and cheese, toasted sandwich, gyoza, together, one little dumpling love story. I love it, it's so cute. And so ridiculously tasty. Now you can serve this with your choice of condiment here. I'm going in with some sweet mustard pickle, which is also another condiment I like to have on my toasted ham and cheese sandwiches. But you can also go in with some ketchup. Ketchup pot stickers. What's she talking about? Hey, my recipe. Now before I get in here and like totally pig out on those dumplings, this recipe is in my cookbook. I hope you guys love this one as much as I do, and I hope you check it out. It's available now for order. So let's get in here and try one of these dumplings, because you know, I'm always in the mood for dumplings. I just go everywhere.
That wasn't navigated very well.
I don't think it was the most elegant bite, but oh my goodness, it is so ridiculously delicious. I mean, you can just taste the toasted sandwich. It's epic. The ham, the cheese, the mustard pickle. Oh, get out of here. It's like pure happiness. That is just insane. Yum, I love it. Yum. So good.
Hey friends, I hope you enjoyed that one. If you did, why not hit the like button? And even better, I would love so much if you would subscribe and even hit that little bell button so you get notified every time I release a new delicious video. Thanks guys.